Got a little hitch down there. I think it needs some wheels cleaned or something, but she's doing it. She's doing it. Going through New York City, heading out into the country, going through the mountains, coming out in the Midwest, going by Jersey, going under Santa, and coming out. And it's just running like a champ, it really is. And it did, it dropped to 3 amps with changing the load. And it has more poop, see? I'm not running at full speed either. Ah, that's weird. I'm trying to get my city train to go and it's not going. Let's come back to that. Okay, yeah, there it is. Solid as a rock. We got a few things we want to tune up. I need a little more smoke. I turned it down maybe a little too low. It's running. My goodness. It's running just as good as the other one. So that AC to DC conversion for the motors, I don't think is a problem. I think that could be done. I've got a couple more I want to do. There's 10 volts. $13 volts to back up. I think the Corvette train will do a burnout. Look at that. But it's all worked out. I had to use this green car because it has a link coupler and then a knuckle on the back. I use it for transition. But what I also have is a baggage car and another baggage unloader that's link. So I could convert, I could get a red link to knuckle baggage unloader. We could deliver the mail. Yes, sir. So the Corvette train could have a mail car, baggage car, unloader car, box car, and a caboose. Would that be hot? And then the Corvette diesel up here. Oh, it needs decals, it needs touch up, it's a mess. But he has streamlined passenger cars. Look at this. Yeah? And he could also have a red baggage unloader. They could share that. So that's cool. I also have a silver set, which I'm going to put with a silver diesel. And then I have these heavyweights that will go with the K5. I think, I don't know, something, we'll see. And then the Illinois Central. That's a mock-up or a replica of the one in Illinois. It's on display, the 2500 Mountain. It's called an M1 Mountain engine. Yeah, we're having fun. We're having fun. There's Mag's streamlined New York Central Express. Pretty sophisticated. Here's the Illinois Central that was going home. Didn't quite make it. I mean, it's loaded. I was going to take out some of those controls. They didn't seem to know what they wanted to do with it. Oh yeah, we still have our little guy. Here he is, right there. Abe's engine. We still have him. He's running pretty strong. Fixed his smoke. Oh, and here, oh look, there's another green heavyweight consist I could put together. This fellow is a dual drive, and he needs a controller. And I have one. Look what I found the other day. That's a diesel 2 DC motor reverse unit from Lionel. So I could put that controller in here with a soundboard, and we would have a New York Central Alco for Magwit. This engine's a dual drive Santa Fe. It's up and running. I mean, it's not a good looker. It's kind of beat, but it runs good. Runs real good. And then I have these silver cars that could go with it, or not. I have a Comet. I could run with that too. Or I could put the dual drive on the Comet. I don't know yet. At any rate, look at that. There's Mr. Oz in his glory. Corvette guy. Boy, did we have fun yesterday and today. It all come together. Okay. Later, gang. Oh, yeah. And in case you're worried, that this red light is that's the police station. Okay, don't get excited. And then as it gets darker, we can turn these up. Or if morning's coming, you can turn them down. Pretty fun. Okay, gang. Hasta la vista.